What are you doing in my father's farm?
I'm sorry. We are strangers. We are not troublemakers.
I deeply love you.
Thank you so much. I love you.
Chukwu!
My love.
Whenever I hear the sound, it makes me love you the more.
Inna inyalejam.
Jasumo. I love Chukwu, Inna.
So do you want to kill yourself over somebody who is dead?
No, Inna.
So stop worrying and making me also to become worried.
Tukur is gone forever.
They have killed
Never
him.
come back to us again, my daughter.
What happened?
They have killed our son.
Promise me that you will take the revenge.
Will Fulani come to our community and steal our goats while we are here?
Do you come across 2 Fulani men on your way?
We are just coming from the neighboring village.
But your death will be paid by thousands of Fulani's blood.
You're right, Tukur. You're right.
We must kill them and hang their heads at the frontage of my house. So what do we do now?
Let's just face them.
Stop this celebration. Go!
Why are you people falsely accusing my family? Why?
They are dangerous. How dare you talk to me like that?
How dare you talk to the chief like that? The enemy is still alive.
Why is he hiding?
It's a secret, Mama.
Secret.
Hey! Don't you run on my house, you drunk. Go away!
Don't shout on me.
Lango.
Yes, Your Honor.
It has been long between we and Hardmans got into crisis.
I am not expecting you to believe me.
Slam them down! Bring them here!